aigo at 240/240mm black CPU liquid cooler AIO RGB water cooling system 3-pin 5V ARGB radiator with 120mm PWM fans for Intel LGA 1200 divided by 115x divided by 20 times x for AMD AM4/AM3+/AM3. ID Cooling ZoomFlow 360X Snow CPU Water Cooler 5V Addressable RGB AIO Cooler 360mm CPU Liquid Cooler 3x 120mm RGB Fan, Intel 115x divided by 1200 divided by 2066, AMD AM4. EZDIY-FAB 120mm Case Fan with Auto Rainbow LED Streamer Effect for Computer Cooling, CPU Cooler 3-pack. With Dual Frame Vivid Rainbow Illumination Effect Auto RGB Streamer Effect. ZCO3 PCS 120mm PWM ARGB Case Fan for PC Chassis, Star Twinkling Lights, 3 PCS Black. Great performance bearing technology, high-performance hydraulic bearing with high-performance and lasting bearing technology. It can absorb and conserve lubricating oil, reducing wear and noise effectively. The CPU water cooler equipped with 360mm radiator and 3x 120mm PWM fans to make sure excellent heat transfer from CPU. RGB lighting on pump and fans are adjustable to match your PC build. PWM fans 3 120mm RGB PWM fans deliver a blast of color and improved airflow for extreme CPU cooling performance. HORSE FS 9002 Pro 20+6 LED, in and outside light effect. ARGB black 120mm PWM case fan with 5V PWM motherboard sync/analog controller, 5-pack. Outframe 20 lights, in-frame 6 lights, 26 lights in total by design. Pump divided from the pump head, effectively improve the efficiency of heat dissipation. The pump RPM, 5500 RPM plus or minus 10%, higher than usual water cooling system pump. Micro water channel design greatly enhances the effective heat dissipation area of the water cooling row and provides a lot of space for airflow. The most commonly 120mm size for computer case or radiators. Compatible 3-pin connector for mainboard and power supply that also works with Molex 4-pin headers. Silent noise reduction, that 8 damping silicone pads fixed on both sides of the fan frame is to reduce the noise of the polarization mode. With RGB 3 colors, you can freely combine the best light effect without any defects. 2. Enhanced shaft and thermostability oil design. The Axis silicon steel plate uses a high level of 12 pieces, which greatly enhances the stability and heat dissipation of the fan at high and low temperature. Anti-wear oil to make the fan quieter and prevent the oil from melting under high temperature. The bearing life can reach more than 30,000 hours without any problems. Remote control more convenient. The fan blade has multiple lamp beads, and there are many different modes of light and color. You can perfectly control the light and adjust the speed through the remote control in our package. Match fan hub connect easy. The fan interface is 6-pin and must be used with the fan hub. Use a hub to connect the motherboard power interface.